Another tool available in Client Access is the Vault. This is secure behind the firewall cloud storage where you can upload documents and we can access them, and we can upload documents for you to access. Many of our clients use this to receive client review materials in preparation for conversations by phone or in person if they want to review them ahead of time. Also, if we have documents that need a signature, we can upload them to the Vault. You can print them, sign them, and upload them back to the Vault for us to receive them. This saves paper, it saves exposure to UPS and the mail, and it gives you the opportunity to get the secure passage of information back and forth. Also, we encourage our clients to upload their estate planning documents to the Vault. This way we have access to copies of the will, power of attorney, other documents that might be needed in the case of an emergency, and we can get them to you under those circumstances. On the lighter side, a number of our clients want us to post photos of achieving their goals on our website, and they can upload those in the Vault as well, and we can download them to post them on the website. We encourage that use the most. Let me show you how a Vault works. Once you're logged into Client Access, click on Vault. This line shows reports that were updated by the Meakem group that are available for me to download. If I wanted to upload something to the Meakem group, I click the Upload button and I select files. This allows me to browse anywhere on my computer. Say I wanted to upload this turtle picture. I select it off the drive and I click Upload Files. File uploads have completed. When I upload my turtle document, the Meakem group gets an email letting them know that a new file has been uploaded. The Vault is a really good place to keep your estate planning documents. You upload it the same way, and again, the Meakem group will receive an email that a file has been uploaded. You may find your own uses for the Vault. If you do, let us know. We'd love to hear about it.